If you've ever wondered how much YouTube pays you for your content, either your long form videos or your short form videos, and you are a beginner and you are so curious about how this system works, then you are not alone, because in today's video, I'm going to be breaking down everything you need to know about their payment plan and also some smart ways to make even more money beyond the ads that plays on your videos. Hi lovelies, thank you for joining me today. If you are new here, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Janet Solomon, and all I do on this channel is to educate you on YouTube growth and strategies, video editing tips, AI tools that you can use to boost your online presence, and everything related to tech. So if you want to continue to see more of my content, useful content and information like this, do wait to subscribe, turn on all post notifications so you never miss out on any of my content. With that being said, let's dive right in. Does YouTube pays per view? The answer is
No, YouTube does not pay per view.
instead they pay based on the ads that plays on your video. If YouTube pays per view, then every viral video, viral memes, and all that would have turned everybody to billionaire. So YouTube doesn't pay you per view. Here is how it works. Advertisers pay YouTube to run ads. YouTube take 45 and give creators 55% revenue. And this doesn't even guarantee that all the views you have on your video will have an ad, because some people have something I call ad blocker. If someone use an ad blocker for their YouTube channel, any views you get from those type of people will not count towards your earning, because they've already blocked ads. Yes, you have your videos, you have your views, but because the ads did not play on their videos, you will not earn from those views. And some people skip ads as well. If they skip the ads immediately, you will not earn from those type of views. So for example, imagine you own a shop. You only make money when people actually buy something, not just when they just walk in and look around and go back. YouTube works exactly the same way. If someone watch an ad, you get paid. If they use an ad blocker or they skip, you don't get paid. So it's not about just getting millions of views. It's about how many ads actually get watched by your audience. Now that you have the understanding of how the system works, the question now remains that how much did they now really pay? There is something called CPM. CPM stands for cost per mil. The mil there is a Latin word and it represents 1,000. It refers to how much advertisers pay YouTube for 1,000 ads impression on your videos. There's another one called RPM, which represents revenue per mil, and that represents how much YouTube pays you and I, the creator, per 1,000 ads impression on our videos. CPM stands for how much advertisers pay YouTube, while RPM stands for how much YouTube pays you and I for 1,000 ads view on our videos. So let's say your CPM is $5 on a video. That means that advertisers pay you so $5 to run ads on your video. Do you understand? So as of the $5 they pay YouTube, which is the CPM, YouTube will remove 45% out of the money. They'll give you 55%. If you remove 55% from $5, you will be left with, I think, around 2.75. I'm not sure if that's correct, but you'll be left with around 2.75. So that is how it works. Remember, I spoke about people using ad blocker, some people skipping ads and all that. They will still remove all those things from your video. So even if they pay them 5% and some people use ads blocker, your revenue might drop because of those factors. So it doesn't mean that because you saw 1 million views, ads is going to run on your video 1 million times. No. Let's take a deep dive to the back end of a video I uploaded yesterday. You can always check your video performance on your YouTube studio, either on your phone or on desktop. So if you come under the video and then you click on analytics, you will see how your video is performing. This is how much the video has made so far. I'm going to scroll down and then we can see what my RPM is. Right here you can see this is my RPM. This is the video performance. My RPM is $2. Yeah, this is how much YouTube is willing to pay me for 1,000 views on this particular video. And if we scroll down now to my CPM, this is how much advertisers pay them to use their platform. They pay $3.89. The question now is, does this CPM ever increase? Yes, CPM increase. If by next week now advertisers are bidding more to advertise on this video, my CPM can increase. And the moment my CPM increase, my RPM will also increase. Everything I've just explained so far applied to only your long form videos. Now let's talk about shorts. How much does YouTube pay for shorts? Because I know a lot of you are curious about this. YouTube does pay for shorts, but they pay using different methods. On shorts, ads don't play directly on your video. Instead, YouTube showed ads between shots as your audience are scrolling. Now, revenue from those ads is shared among all short creators whose their video was viewed that day. YouTube will now take 55%. This time, they'll now give the creators of those shorts 45%. 45% will be shared among all short creators whose video was viewed that day. Let's assume in one day, YouTube make $1 million from short feed. 55% will go to them, which is around $550,000. Then 45% go to all creators, which is $450. Now imagine all short views combined got all the views for that day got 10 billion views that day. If your short got 1 million views out of the 10 billion views, your earning would be 1 million divided by 10 billion times $450,000. So your earning for 1 million views of your short that day, which is equal to $45. My key takeaway from this short is that short pay less than long videos. Your earning depends on how many short views you get on your videos per day. The more your shorts are views, the bigger your share of the ads revenue. Unlike the long form videos, if you have 1 million views on your long form videos, that's a whole lot. Let's even assume 100 people use ad blocker. 100 people skip your video, you will still have something compared to the short form videos. But if you are very good with short videos, you know how to get people's attention very well, you are still going to earn from your short. So yeah, that's how short works. Factors that affect your earning. The truth is, not all YouTubers make the same amount of money, even with the same number of views. Why I say that is because one, viewers location. Viewers from the US, UK, and Canada pay more than viewers from some other countries. Two, video length. If your video is like 8 minutes long, you can have multiple ads, the beginning, mid-roll, and after. Your niche. If you are in a very good niche, you make videos where you can advertise more on your video, you will definitely earn more. The next one is ad engagement. If people skip your ads, you will earn less. I've talked about that already. Those are some of the factors that might affect your earning. If you check my video description, you will see a video where I talk about some niches that really pays well. You can watch that video, you will definitely learn a lot. Let's talk about the actual process of getting paid. YouTube doesn't just send you money instantly after you earn it. They follow a structure of payment system through Google AdSense. All your revenue, they accumulate it throughout the month for you. So every time your video generates a revenue, either from shorts, revenue, super chat, membership, or any other earning, YouTube keep track of everything in your AdSense account. I've already made a video about AdSense. Check the description to watch it. You can check your estimated earning in your YouTube studio as well. If you want to monitor how your revenue is moving, you can check and monitor everything from your YouTube studio. So after that, at the end of every month is when they review and finalize your payment to make sure that everything is accurate. Sometimes there might be some adjustments due to some invalid traffic, fake views, bots, ad fraud, and all that. Then you need to reach minimum of $100. You cannot withdraw your money until you have at least $100 in your AdSense account. If you make less than that in a month, the money rolls over to the next month until you reach the minimum amount that is required before they will be able to pay you. YouTube pays creators between the 21st and 26th of the following month. For example, if you earn $120 in January, you will get paid between February 21 and 26th. If you earn only $50 in January, the amount will be carried over to February. If you earn another $60 in February, making it 110 in total, you will get paid in March. So that is how their payment schedule works. So how do you receive your payment? There are actually three ways you will receive your payment after you've reached the $100 threshold. You can either do bank transfer, which is direct deposit, which is the fastest and the most common method people use. Then you can either use wired transfer. It is used in some country but may have higher fees. Then the third one is check. It's not available in all locations, but it's a bit slower. It usually take like weeks to arrive. If you're in this part of the world like Nigeria, that one will take till thy kingdom come before you get your payment. So I have a video on that already. Just check my description, you will see how it works. Here is the thing, earning from ads alone is good, there's nothing bad in it, but there's also nothing bad in you having other source of income aside from the ads that plays on your video. And here are some of the ways you can actually earn extra aside from the ads that play on your video. Number one is sponsorship. Brand can pay you to feature their products. Affiliate marketing. You can recommend products, digital products, any type of product. And if you have products yourself, you can do digital marketing sales. Then YouTube channel membership. Viewers pay monthly for exclusive content. You can create a membership where some content are only available for your members. Then super chats and super stickers. Fans donate money during your live stream. Then another thing is selling digital products like online ebook, online courses, templates, presets, and all those stuff. If you're just serious about making money on YouTube, don't just, I won't advise that you should just rely on ads alone. Just diversify. There's something I almost forgot to mention, which is taxes and payment delay. YouTube requires creators to submit tax information. You will do all that in your AdSense when you are creating it. In all this, you can't earn money except you are qualified for YouTube monetization. You can't just start a channel today and expect to make money today. No, it's a lot of work. You need to join the YouTube partnership program. To be able to join that, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the last 12 months. I made a video about this watch hours issue. Check the description or just watch this video here. You will see the video I'm talking about. If you do not attain that 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers within 12 months, you are going to start reducing your watch hours. So please watch this video here or check my description. Or another thing you can do is, like I said, if you are very good with short, you need 10 million short views in the last 90 days. If you are able to get 10 million views in the last 90 days, you are qualified for their monetization. Then follow YouTube monetization rules. They hate copyright. Don't take another person's content. No harmful videos, no hurtful videos. If you do that, your channel is going to be strike. I have a video on all of these topics already. Just check my description or follow the playlist of these YouTube tips. You will see everything and learn everything you need to know about YouTube. Alright guys, now you know the truth about YouTube earning. No more guessing here and there anymore. But here is the real question. With all this information you have, do you think YouTube is worth the stress? Let me know in the comments. I will really love to hear your thoughts. And hey, if this video has helped you, don't leave without hitting that like button. It really supports the channel. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any of my videos. You can also follow me on TikTok at SmJanet. You will see all my latest. You can contact me there, share your challenges with me there, and I will respond to you as soon as possible. And I can actually coach you. If you need a personal coaching, you can just chat me up on my TikTok, and from there we'll move it on. Until next time, bye.